Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to back up WhatsApp messages to Google Drive. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up the WhatsApp app. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and go to the top right and tap on the three dots. Okay. Now scroll all the way down and find settings. Now in here, scroll down again and find chats. Tap on it. And then once done, scroll down and find a chat backup. All right, tap on it. And in here, make sure that one of your Google accounts is tied to your WhatsApp. Tap on Google account and add an account. All right. Once added, select the specific Google account. And in here, just scroll all the way down, hit on continue. Wait for it. As you can see here, it is now linked. After that, just tap on backup right here at the top. Wait for it. Now, again, there'll be an upload process right here. Just wait for it. And after that, all of your WhatsApp messages will be backed up using your Google Drive or Google Storage. If you want to save it to multiple Gmail accounts, you can go ahead and tap on Google again once it's all finished, okay? And you could also turn on automatic backups right here. And if you want to include videos, just make sure to enable this option, okay? Or toggle it on. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.